Hey everyone, the next tab I'm going to talk about is logistics. So we've now set our prices, we've set our promotional strategy, which is anything that you can think of. We're now going to go over to logistics. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at logistics. This is my recommendation on this tab. It's a pretty simple tab to navigate. You're basically discussing how you want your shipping priorities to be. So knowing that you can't manufacture from Asia or from Europe, you can only manufacture from US and from Asia, you get to decide the sequence of this order. So if I'm shipping from the US, I generally want to ship to the US first. And if I'm making stuff in the US, I want to ship to the US first. If I'm making it in Asia, I want to ship to Asia. The reason for that is there's less tariffs and taxes if you do that. So that just makes sense. The next place I like to ship is Europe because I don't want to run out of products for a country that I'm not making anything in. So I'll always have product for Asia and I'll always have product for the US, but I don't always have product for Europe. So I like this to read Asia, Europe, US, and US, Europe, Asia. So I'm just going to change these. And once you do this for your products, as like if you do a Tech 3 or a Tech 4 or whatever you might be doing later on, you can come in here and update it, but otherwise you don't have to update this. If I only stuck with Tech 1 and Tech 2, I wouldn't have to update this again. It would just stay there. This just ensures that I have the right amount of technology for each of the countries that I'm shipping to. So I'm shipping them the right amount of handsets each time. So this is the logistics page. It's pretty simple. It does also give you some ideas of your beginning inventory and your ending inventory. This is also helpful, but for the most part, this isn't a tab that you need to go to frequently. Yay!